In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Splitwise account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to fully deactivate your account without any confusion. First, open Splitwise in your web browser and log into the account you want to delete. Once you're on the main Splitwise dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile area, which may show your name, your email, or an icon. Click on your profile in the upper right. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account and settings. From that menu, click on the option labeled Your Account. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can update your details, change preferences, and manage privacy and security. Take a quick moment to scan this page if you want, especially if there's anything you might want to update or export before you delete your account. Because once the account is gone, it may be difficult or impossible to retrieve that information. On this account settings page, scroll until you find the option that says Close Your Account. It is usually listed near the bottom of the settings since it's a permanent action. Go ahead and click on Close Your Account. When you do this, Splitwise will bring you to a confirmation screen. This is where they make sure it's really you taking this action and that you understand what will happen next. On the confirmation screen, you'll be asked to type in your password. Carefully enter the same password you used to log into Splitwise. This step helps protect your account from being deleted by mistake or by someone who shouldn't have access. If you're not sure of your password, you may want to reset it before starting this process so that you can complete the deletion smoothly. After you've entered your password correctly, look for the button that says Deactivate Your Account. Click on Deactivate Your Account. Once you click, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Splitwise may ask you to confirm one more time, and it might display information about outstanding balances, groups, or any data that will be affected. Read these messages so you understand what you're agreeing to, then confirm your choice. When you finish the prompts, your Splitwise account will be deactivated and the deletion process will be complete.